Thank you for joining us here on click2houston.com. We do have a tropical storm watch that's now been extended to include parts of the metro area. So Harris County, Galveston County, Chambers County and Liberty County now under a tropical storm watch, meaning that we can be impacted by tropical storm force winds 39 miles per hour or greater and tropical downpours within the next 48 hours. You'll also notice that Jefferson County has now been shifted to a tropical storm warning compared to the watch that they were under earlier this morning. That warning extends all the way into coastal areas of Louisiana, with a flash flood watch for Louisiana into the Florida Panhandle, Mississippi, and also Alabama. So we're starting to feel those impacts already come on shore from what is the potential tropical cyclone 3, most likely turning into Cindy by the time we wrap up today. Winds are sustained at 40 miles per hour, so we have the wind component there, but we're still waiting for that circulation to become well defined, which we need for it to technically be a tropical storm. Despite whether the fact it turns into Cindy or if it does not turn into Cindy, we are still going to feel impacts from a tropical-like system over the next 48 hours. So here's what we're expecting. This is the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center. Wednesday at 7 a.m., winds sustained at 45 miles per hour. It's right offshore. We're expecting landfall somewhere between the Texas border and Louisiana border, maybe around Sabine Pass, late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. This is 2:30 in the morning on Thursday, so we're talking about an overnight landfall. Keep in mind, sometimes we get weak tornadoes with tropical systems that are making landfall, so we could definitely see some very dangerous conditions with this landfalling system. It continues to move up to the north and east, and then by the time we get to Friday, this is all well pushed into the U.S. So this is a very short time frame that we have to really watch out for. So here's the impacts that we're expecting for the metro area. Looks like the worst impacts will be east of our area, but again, that trend of the track is starting to push farther and farther west, and until we have that defined center of circulation, we can still see changes with the forecast. So be prepared and be prepared for possible changes. But the latest information we have right now, we're looking at the potential of 2 to 3 inches of rain for the metro area. Higher totals for our north counties, closer to Madisonville and Crockett, maybe 6 to 8 inches of rain. But we do think the worst is going to be pushing into Louisiana. The time frame is late Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and probably extending through the day on Thursday as well, especially for our north counties. We're looking for tropical downpours and also gusty winds. We could have wind gusts that are over 40 miles per hour. We'll be back with more updates throughout the day here on click2houston.com, as well as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.